Don't put up with cheap, unhygienic utensils. This sturdy nylon ladle cleans up easily and is built to last. It is BPA-free, heat-resistant up to 400 F, 204 C, and will stand up to heavy use for years. Won't scratch your non-stick cookware. This ladle is perfect for cooking and serving vegetables, soup, stews, and more. Unique shape. Unique head design allows ladle to scrape along the sides and bottom of any pot. Scoop out the last bits of any soup or stew. Also functions as a pour spout for easy serving of sauces. Will become one of your most trusted kitchen utensils. Large spoon head and comfortable handle. The large ladle head holds 1/2 cup or 4 ounces of liquids, which means you can spoon out large portions for your family with each scoop. The handle is ergonomically designed for easy and comfortable use, and provides a secure grip. There is a convenient hole in the handle for easy hanging storage in your kitchen. Easy to clean. Dishwasher-friendly soup spoon, and also cleans up quickly and easily in the sink. Lifetime warranty and 100% money-back guarantee. We are sure you will our cooking utensils. If you're not 100% satisfied, don't hesitate to contact us. As a small family-owned business, we care that every single one of our customers is happy, and we're always looking to do better. You have nothing to lose, so go ahead and get your Zulay ladle today. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. The best ladle I've ever used. Good size, very hand-friendly and sturdy. No chance of the handle becoming detached from the bowl, as happened with the ladle this one has replaced. The best thing is that not only is it perfect for use with non-stick pans and slow cookers, but the shape of the bowl allows me to scrape across the bottom of the pan to get the last morsel, and also has a perfect pouring lip that prevents spills and drips. Excellent value for money, and bonus, the red matches my kitchen.